Do not throw used disposable masks anymore. These days, it is very common that we use disposable masks, but then usually throw in the trash. And today I will demonstrate different ways to use. Few people know new uses for masks. They are very cheap. And in addition to protecting our health, today I will teach new uses. To start, I will separate the disposable masks with the help of scissors. I will cut all the sides this mask. This way I'm doing in the video. I will also cut the top and bottom parts, thus separating all layers of fabric used in disposable masks. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Usually these types of disposable masks have 3 layers each of a fabric. The outside fully absorbs moisture and holds all dirt. The first item of the mask that we will use is the elastic part that goes in the ear responsible for keeping the mask positioned correctly on our face. This part serves perfectly for wires. The correct is to store, and with this use, we can keep all the wires organized and stored correctly. The middle part of the mask serves to filter and block all bacteria effectively. The inner part is responsible for containing all the moisture that comes out of our mouth and nose. The middle fabric is totally ideal for cleaning glasses, mobile and computer screens, or even windows. This is the part that is most useful for use in my day-to-day. The last piece of fabric we removed from the mask is perfect for use in drains, preventing any dirt from clogging the pipes. Also perfect to prevent any small object from falling and getting lost. This is the most suitable. We'll never have problems to unclog the pipes. I am sure that after separating all the layers of the disposable mask, you will use in other ways as well. The last layer of the mask is fully suitable for cleaning the shoes. Only when watering with water removes all dirt easily. It is very suitable for cleaning when we have little time. Tell me what different uses you use for the disposable mask. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.